So, you've come across classrooms and chimeras but not sure where to begin? Listen well, young adventurers, and we'll jump right in. Step into the world of Mythia, where your classroom transforms into a realm of magic, monsters, and mystery. Create your champion. Will you be bold like a paladin, cunning like a rogue, or mystical like a wizard? Once you've created your character, it's time to play. With our interactive PowerPoint system, you don't need maps. Everything is brought to life on screen. Use your own dice for each student, or roll one giant foam dice as a class to see what happens next. And with our Chimera Compendiums, the adventure never ends. Choose to swap out the creatures for something that fits your classroom. Keep it classic with Classrooms and Greek Mythology, or go silly with Classrooms and Misheard Monsters. With 3 epic episodes, Classrooms and Chimeras is more than just a game. It's a year-long classroom tool for storytelling, teamwork, and imagination. But don't just take our word for it. Check out what people are saying about it so far. So what are you waiting for? Sharpen your wits, gather your courage, and get adventuring today with Classrooms and Chimeras.